My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, it feels like I can see your sands on the horizon every time you are not around. Slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. Slowly drifting, it feels like I'm drowning. Pulling against the stream, pulling against the my face above the water. I told her come on.